こんにちは皆さん、メリサです。Hey everyone, I'm Melissa. Welcome to today's lesson. Today's lesson is how to use fun and funny. This is something that a lot of my students get wrong. For example, they'd say something like, I was really funny, when they mean, I had fun. It's a little bit different. So how do we use funny? Let's look at examples. Those comedians are really funny. That joke was so funny. I can't stop laughing. I watched a really funny movie. I laughed so hard. So, funny. Funny is something that makes you laugh. A joke, a comedy, comedians, something like that. You can also use funny to describe something strange. His hair is looking a bit funny today. I think I ate something funny and now my stomach hurts. So funny is ha ha ha, funny, or strange, funny, unusual. Fun is something you enjoy, something that makes you feel good. I think reading is really fun, but this book isn't funny. I think playing sports is fun, but it doesn't make you laugh, usually. So anything can be fun, a hobby, an experience, your day. But if you're not laughing, then it's not usually funny. Funny と fun は全然違うです。Funny というのは面白いこと、笑わさせること、冗談とか、コメディアンとか。Fun というのは楽しいこと。デートは楽しかった? Did you have fun on your date? If you ask this, you're not asking if your date made you laugh, funny. You're asking if you enjoyed it, fun. じゃあ今週これ練習してね。Practice this week. You're welcome to practice down in the comments below. And I hope it goes well. Tell me in the comments what you think is funny and what you think is fun. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.